Well, a patient at UMC is dead and another injured after police say a man pulled out a knife and stabbed them. It happened in the psychiatric section of the hospital early this morning. Joe Mueller is live this afternoon outside of UMC with what we know so far. Joe.
Well, according to police, that man who stabbed two other people was also a patient here. They say he left his room, went to another room, stabbed a man, and that man ended up dying, and then stabbed another person in the hallway. Now, there's a lot of questions about how this all unfolded in the hospital. Early Thursday morning, a homicide investigation was underway at UMC. Police say a patient stabbed two other people inside the psychiatric area. That suspect, a male in his 40s, was found in his room and taken into custody.
For the purposes of safety, the hospital tries to keep psychiatric patients in a certain area so they can staff those units.
Dr. Sid Karuna is from Nevada Mental Health. He says patients in the psychiatric area of the hospital are seeking out where to go for care and are assessed.
A lot of patients go to the UMC emergency room to get a medical clearance to make sure there is nothing else medically going on.
Right now, it is not known how the man got the knife into the hospital or where it came from.
I've been through, the psychiatric ward as a police officer.
David Kohlmeyer is a retired police officer from Henderson and New York City.
There normally is security that's there and sometimes correctional officers as well, depending upon the situation.
He has questions about how this all happened.
How did the person get the knife? Did it come in general? Did they do a good enough search in general before that?
He believes medical and mental health facilities will be paying close attention to the investigation.
And I'm sure from this incident, everybody in the valley will probably change their protocol depending upon how they found out how the knife basically, wound up to this person that was mentally unstable inside that ward.
A statement released by UMC CEO Mason Van Houweling expressed support and the need for mental health services in the county. Van Houweling also said many mentally ill patients are sent to UMC when they belong at facilities better suited to be treating their needs. And now back out here live. Despite this investigation that was going on throughout the day, UMC did remain open, and they are open right now. We're reporting live. Joe Mueller live, Local Now.